Hello, my name is Brian Larson. I'm a digital design engineer with IntelliProp, and today I will be introducing you to the IntelliProp NVMe Host Accelerator IP core. Today I'll be covering an overview of the NVMe Host core, including common uses of the core, key features, and the block diagram. Then I'll show the hardware setup for the reference design and run a brief demo. Finally, I will review a comprehensive performance benchmark for the Samsung 970 Pro. IntelliProp's NVMe Host Accelerator IP core provides a simplified, high-bandwidth interface to industry-standard NVMe storage devices. The IntelliProp NVMe Host Accelerator core provides a small footprint processor or RTL state machine interface for data movement between a user-defined data buffer and an NVMe endpoint. Common uses for the NVMe core include high-speed data acquisition for sensors, industrial cameras, or drones, networking traffic recording, NVMe bridging or switching, or any embedded application requiring non-volatile storage. Included in the IP package are the unencrypted top-level HDL wrappers, the encrypted HDL for synthesis, the encrypted HDL for simulations, a constraints file, tickle scripts to generate the IP core and scripts to generate the project, an example hardware state machine and example firmware, and finally the user guide. Now let's take a look at the block diagram. Here we have the block diagram for the NVMe host core. The diagram shows the command interface and data interface. It outlines the flow for command submission, data transfers, and command completion. Key features include: we are fully compliant to the latest NVMe industry standard, automated initialization process with the PCIe hard block, an automated command submission and completion, automated doorbell management, scalable I/O queue depth and number of queues, scalable data buffer size, a processor or state machine driven interface, submission queue command context error prevention, and support for multiple drives through a PCI Express switch. Here we have the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core running on the Xilinx UltraScale KCU105 Development Kit, connected to a Samsung 970 Pro. This design uses the reference state machine to drive the IP core. Here's a graph showing the write performance and read performance of the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core. As you can see, the write performance is about 2,700 megabytes per second, and the read performance is about 3,550 megabytes per second. These numbers are in line with the SSD manufacturer stated performance metrics. Today we outlined some of the features and benefits of the NVMe Host Accelerator IP core and demonstrated the performance capabilities of the IP. Key points of the IP core include high throughput hardware acceleration, a simple user interface, and easy system integration for reduced development time, and scalable and configurable design for any application. You can contact us by email at info@intelliprop.com or by phone at 303-774-0535.